If you ever seen this little white sponge called the Magic Razor and wonder what's so special about it, well, you're about to find out. Today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, where you can use it and what to avoid. And by the end of this video, I'm going to share some seriously helpful cleaning hacks that will make your home sparkle without much effort. But before we start, if you're into smart cleaning tips and clever hacks that save you time and money, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I got way more coming your way. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is a Magic Razor anyway? It might look like an ordinary white sponge, but it is actually made of something called melamine foam. This material acts as a superfine sandpaper when it's wet, which means it can scrub away dirt, grime, and stain without the need for harsh chemicals. Think of it like a tiny cleaning superhero. Strong, lightweight, and incredibly effective at tackling the messes that regular sponges just can't. All you have to do is get it wet, give it a little squeeze, and it's ready to work its magic. Now let's talk about where the Magic Razor really shines and where it can be a total game changer in your cleaning routine. Let's start with the kitchen. This is one of the best places to put your Magic Razor to work. You can use it to wipe away greasy fingerprints from cabinet doors, scrub out scuff marks from walls near your rubbish bin, clean stained areas on countertops. Just make sure to avoid delicate stone like marble or granite. And even polish up the stove top or backsplash, especially around stubborn stained or splattered sauce marks. It is also great for giving your appliances a refreshed look too, like microwaves, toasters, and even edges of your fridge door. Magic Razor is also fantastic for getting rid of soap scum in tubs and on the shower walls, around taps, and in those hard to reach corners where grime builds up. Use it on the tile grout to lift dirt and reveal a brighter finish. Toothpaste splatters around the sink and water spots around faucets disappear fast with a gentle scrub. Now, if you got kids or just messy hands, you will love this one. The Magic Razor is perfect for removing crayon, pencil marks, shoe scuff, or mystery smudges from painted walls. Just remember to go gently, especially on matte or flat paint finishes. Too much pressure can dull the paint. Whether you got a stainless steel sink or a white porcelain wand, a damp microfiber eraser can cut through built-up grime, food stains, or water spots in seconds. It leaves the surface looking smooth and bright. Now, when it comes to light switches and door handles, these high-touch spots are often forgotten during cleaning, but they gather so much grime. A quick swipe with the Magic Razor makes them look freshly painted. It is also great for removing finger marks from doorknobs and smudges around the door frames. Here is a tip, guys. You can try it on your rubbish bin lids, behind the kitchen tap, or even on plastic containers that have scuff marks. You will be amazed at how clean everything looks. Alright, super important, guys. Let's talk about what not to clean with the Magic Razor. Because while it is an amazing tool, it can definitely cause damage if used in the wrong place. Let's start with walls. Magic Razors can remove scuff marks like a charm, but be super careful with painted walls, especially if they have a flat or matte finish. These surfaces are delicate, and the eraser can actually strip away the paint or leave behind shiny and even patches. If you are unsure, always do a small spot test in a hidden corner first. If your walls are glossy or satin finished, you might get away with it. Just go gently. Now, when it comes to floors, avoid using Magic Razors on hardwood, vinyl, and laminate flooring. Here is why. Hardwood floors, even sealed ones, can lose their finish. The sponge acts like a superfine sandpaper, and that shine can dull quickly. Laminate and vinyl floors have a clear protective coating. Scrubbing too hard with a Magic Razor can remove that layer, leading to scratches, cloudiness, or damage over time. So if your floors are shiny or have a sealed surface, skip the Magic Razor and go for something floor safe instead. So the bottom line is, If it's shiny, glossy, or delicate, think twice. When in doubt, test a small area or choose a gentler cleaning method. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. Before we wrap up, here are 2 Magic Razor tricks that might just blow your mind. They are simple but super effective. If you ever try peeling off a sticker from a glass jar and it leaves behind the annoying sticky mess, just dampen the Magic Razor and rub gently over the residue. In seconds, it's gone. No go, no mess, just a clean surface ready for reusing or gifting. If your white sneakers are looking more gray than crisp, this trick is for you. Run the Magic Razor along the rubber soles. Those scuff and dirt marks don't stand a chance. It's seriously one of the fastest ways to refresh your kicks without doing a full wash. These little tricks are perfect when you need a quick win and want things looking fresh without much effort. Give them a try and let me know if you have your own secret Magic Eraser hacks. And there you have it, guys. Magic Razor hacks that actually make a difference. It is such a simple tool, but when used right, it can tackle some of the most annoying cleaning problems around the house. Remember, use it in hard surfaces that can handle a little bit of abrasion, and avoid anything glossy, delicate, or coated in paint. And if you learned something new, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy and effective cleaning tips every single week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.